What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today I'm going to share how to do this fun Valentine's Day look with you. I am so excited to share today's look with you guys. It's a little bit different, some monochromatic going on, and a little bit of editorial stuff going on because we're in quarantine for Valentine's this year. So if you've ever been like a little bit nervous or unsure of branching out, I feel like spending Valentine's Day at home is a perfect time to branch out with your makeup if this is not something you would normally wear. Personally, this is something that I would wear out and about if we were going out and about. But I just thought it would be fun to share something a little bit different to encourage you guys to play around with your makeup and your artistry and to see what you like and what you don't like. And if you give this look a try, let me know. Tag me on my social media. It is MakeupByMegB everywhere. I saw Ash Levy upload this look onto her Instagram. I hope I'm saying her last name right. I know she posted about it on her stories and it was either Levi or Levy. I'm so sorry, but I was inspired by this. I'm always inspired by her makeup. She does so many fun creative looks over on her Instagram, so please go check it out. I will have the link down in the bio. And yeah, make sure you are subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into the footage so you can learn how to get this fun look.
We are getting the hardest part of this look out of the way with first. I already have my eye primer down. I just used the Urban Decay Primer Potion, so it's very clear. It's not going to give you that concealer looking base, but this is the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Scrunchy. It's water activated, so you just spray a little bit of water on it, pick it up with a brush. This is actually a paint brush. I want to go back to the craft store and see what other small brushes they have so I can utilize these liners more. But the first one went on easy peasy. It was matching the second one. So if you're using these liners, just make sure that you're giving yourself patience because I had to redo my right eye about 3 times before I got it to look even. So I just knew that was going to be the challenging part and wanted to get that out of the way with first. So now that we have that done, we can move on to face. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this stuff. It is nice and tacky. I feel like my product actually sticks to my face when I use it. And this is the Physicians Formula Healthy Skin Foundation. I recently uploaded a video earlier this week, a full face of cream products, and these are all the products I use in that video. So if you would like to hear more my opinions on these products and how to utilize them, I'll have it linked up above and as always in the description box down below. The concealer I've been using is the e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer, and it does crease a lot because it is hydrating, but I have been enjoying using it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some ABH Cream Contour. You can find these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for a really good price. I love the blendability of this product. And now I'm using the Rare Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Bliss. I like putting this on the back of my hand, picking it up with my brush, and then blending it in. This blush does dry down really quickly, so far I found this to be the best way to apply it. If you have a different way of applying the cream blush, let me know in the comments down below. And lastly, for highlighter, this is my favorite step of my face base routine. This is in the shade Enlighten by Rare Beauty, and it is so beautiful. I did try out the foundation and concealer from Rare Beauty as well, so if you would like to see that review, again, it will be linked up above and also down below. Going back to the eyes, I'm just taking some matte white shadow and just putting it on my brow just to add a little lift to the look, and it will just help with the contrast between the pink. So I like that I put that step in there. And now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. The first 3 pinks in the left row going down is what I use to pat all over my lid. I love this eyeshadow palette. I believe it's only like $14. It's super affordable. The quality is there, and I can't recommend it more if you're looking for colorful shades. And next, I had to make this a glittery look, okay? So I went into the Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorials palette with the shade Pride. Ooh, and I just love adding glitter. If you guys are a subscriber, you know this. Even though Ash's look was matte, I couldn't resist the glitter. I just had to do it. So her shimmers in this palette are unreal. That sparkle is just insane to me. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And for even more sparkle, I'm going into my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Grind. It's a light pink color. So I just applied this all over my lid, and now I'm just going to tap it into place. And it's just such intense within sparkle. I love using those shimmers from the Nikki palette and using glitter toppers just to amplify it even more, because that is just me. So I just went ahead and took a thin line of liquid liner, my mascara, and for lips, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Los Angeles Lip Liner in the House Labs Hot Pink Crayon. I forget the name of it. I'm so sorry. And to top it off, I'm using the Patrick Ta gloss. She's expensive. Any kind of clear gloss or gloss with glitter will work perfectly. And that is the completed look.
And that wraps it up for the Valentine's Day look. I just had to throw a pink lip on because Ashley did. Normally I go for a neutral lip, but it got me to branch out of the box, which is what I hope this video will do for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me, and we are going to get through this together. There is light at the end of the tunnel from what 2021 started, and we will be wrapping that up hopefully this year. But I hope you guys are really doing well and taking care of yourselves. Thank you again for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments down below what you're up to, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.